Around 6 weeks to harvest 2023. Currently we have cloudy weather, we have rain, and it doesn't look so good at the moment, but let's see. Holiday is the name of the game, and most vignerons are now having well-deserved holidays. It's a crucial tipping point in my view. Will we have sun and warmth in August, or will this rather cloudy and dull weather continue? I don't think there's been any big damage aside from the hailstorm in Marceau and Roulis, but a good weather in August could save a lot, you could say. It's really the question about getting the ripeness process back on track, and then it is, I would say, if the weather performs well, there's a lot of grapes in the vineyard, so it could be a really big vintage, both quantity-wise, but also quality-wise, if the weather's performing as we could hope. The risk is that the yields or the amount of grapes hanging on the vines is very large, and people are green harvesting, and some are even repeating this exercise and green harvest again because the yields are really high in some vineyards. And if we have a lot of rain and mildew and iridium, then it could really end quite badly, but let's not hope for that. So we will monitor the development, and I think hopefully next week could give some sun and some heat, and then we will see what happens. So stay tuned.